Today, I'm reviewing Hair Transplant Los Angeles, a popular clinic led by Dr. Behnam. If you've been considering a hair transplant in Los Angeles, you've probably heard of Dr. Behnam and his practice. I'll be walking you through my personal experience with them, so you can get an honest and detailed overview of what to expect. First, let's talk about the consultation. The clinic has a modern and welcoming atmosphere. The team at Hair Transplant Los Angeles is professional and thorough when it comes to evaluating your condition. They assess your hair loss and discuss the various options available for treatment. The consultation was comfortable, and Dr. Behnam took his time explaining the entire process. He answered all of my questions and helped me feel confident about the decision. The procedure itself was smooth, and the medical team was very experienced. They were meticulous in their approach, ensuring that I was comfortable throughout the procedure. I was told that the recovery process would take time, and I followed the aftercare instructions carefully. There was some initial swelling, which is normal, but the team provided me with everything I needed to manage the healing process. Now, let's talk about the results. After several months of patience, I noticed significant improvement in my hair growth. It wasn't an instant transformation, but the results were exactly what Dr. Behnam promised. My hairline was restored, and I felt much more confident. It took several months for the full effects to show, but overall, I'm pleased with the outcome. However, not everything was perfect. The price point is on the higher side compared to some other clinics, which could be a concern for some people. The process was also more time-consuming than I initially anticipated, but I understood that the results would take time. Overall, I would recommend Hair Transplant Los Angeles by Dr. Behnam to anyone looking for a professional and experienced hair transplant provider. The team is skilled, the results are noticeable, and the care is top-notch. It's not a quick fix, but if you're looking for long-term results, this is a clinic that can deliver. Did you know people waste so much time just resetting passwords? I used to be one of them, until I found Locker.io, and now I don't even think about it. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. If you're considering a hair transplant, make sure to research thoroughly and consult with a doctor who understands your needs. I'd also recommend following up with the clinic to ensure your expectations are met. Don't forget to like this video if you found my review helpful, and subscribe to my channel for more honest reviews and insights on various medical treatments and services.